Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the trending AI SZA album cover look using Google Gemini's Nano Banana tool. It's Google's latest AI image creator that lets you edit your photo instantly just by typing a prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it to your browser or you can open it to the web to the app like this, and then just log in with your Google account, and then just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana tool. But you can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. Next, just upload your photo. Just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo. Make sure your photo is clear and have a good lighting. And then after that, just type a prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy it exactly, and then but feel free to change some details to match your own vibe or your own styles. You can just copy my prompt in here, and then next I will just copy my prompt. And then after that, just go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, and there it is, your own AI SZA album cover look. It's giving melancholy, calm, and cinematic all at once, and totally viral worthy. And it so really looks like a real album. Even it has a element like this on the result. And okay, that's how you can make the trending AI SZA album cover photo using Gemini Nano Banana tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!